Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix in 2026 for a while now and you are currently asking on how to create an email campaign. Well, let's say you want to promote a product, sale or update. Email campaigns are the way to go. So in today's video, I will show you how to create an email campaign in Wix in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure everything is looking good, go all the way and open Wix dashboard. So, everything is looking good here. I'm gonna go look for Wix in the search bar, tap on wix.com, go and log in using my email address and password. I will show you the dashboard how it looks now. Okay. So I'm gonna go select this website, and here it goes, loading your dashboard. So basically this is the main dashboard. As for now, we're gonna go and check the marketing and SEO. So we have multiple options here. We have this marketing here, social media marketing, refer program, email marketing, Google ads, marketing home. For example, we're gonna go and check this marketing home, SEO setup checklist and all of this. Now look for email campaigns. Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ad, SEO, coupons, email automations, email marketing, and all of this. So after it's fully done, all you're gonna do is choose for yourself a template. Pick a campaign template or start from scratch, as I said before, then edit the campaign content. Add text, images, links, buttons, whatever. You can also select the audience, review it, and give it a small test. It's totally needed. Okay, we can also basically look for whatever you want. Email, campaign, business email, manage the business email associated with your site's domain, business email, get and manage business email for your account, email marketing, as I told you before. You can basically access whatever you want from this, tools and settings. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.